Most AI writing is a mess. It's stiff, it's generic, and let's be honest, your audience, your boss, and your clients can spot it from a mile away. If your AI sounds like a corporate brochure, you're not saving time, you're losing trust. But look at this. In just 2 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to extract your style DNA. This ensures your AI finally stops sounding like a robot and starts sounding like a professional version of you. It's 2026. Everyone is using AI, but 90% of people are doing it wrong. They use one-sentence prompts and wonder why the output is garbage. The gap between AI-generated and human-centric content is where your reputation lives. To fix this, we need to stop chatting and start architecting. We need a linguistic blueprint. Here is the process. Step 1. Priming. First, we don't ask it to write, we ask it to learn. I use a specific priming prompt to turn the AI into a linguistic analyst. I'm telling it, don't write yet, just listen. Step 2, extraction. Now I feed it my best work, 3 to 5 samples of how I actually talk and write. This is the raw data. I use my extraction prompt to find my sentence cadence, my vocabulary, and my tone. Step 3, the blueprint, the AI, then creates a style DNA guide. It identifies exactly how I structure my thoughts. This is the secret sauce that we save in our settings. Let's test it with a high-stakes scenario, a client email about a missed deadline. On one hand, the standard AI is wordy and weak. It says, while we understand the importance of the original schedule, which is the ultimate AI giveaway. But look at the style DNA version. It's firm, it's professional, it focuses on the fix, not the excuse. This is an email I would actually send. The goal of AI isn't to replace your voice, it's to strengthen it. Once you have your style DNA, you stop being a prompt engineer and you start being a high-level editor. I've put all the prompts I used today in the description below so you can try this right now. If you're tired of robotic AI and want to see how to actually use these tools in the real world, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.